Alright, it's currently 2:31 in the morning. I just woke up like 5 minutes ago and I've got to take my two friends to the airport, so this should be fun. Cheers it up. Alright, let's go.
We have 30 kilos of chicken. Hi!
Hello.
Hey guys, we're going to Brisbane.
Nothing to back into? No, let's go.
Let's go! Coffee is gone cold, it's like time froze.
Oh.
And boom, put your mask on.
We're not in the airport right now.
4:25.
4:25.
And our flight's not till 6, and we can't even board the plane for another hour.
Oh shit. You can't bring those.
Put them in your pocket and see what they do.
What is that?
Dry shampoo, let me freshen you up.
No, I'm good, thanks.
I don't even shower, I just use this.
Woo! Don't step on the trail. Don't step on the trail.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye Jackson, thank you. Love you.
I just had to go crack now on my
Bye bye.
Yeah, that Draco doesn't like free throws. I do not miss no shots, I got the cheat code. That's why I never
Boys. Alright, so we just discovered something with the Makita blower and it goes a little like this. Busted and shit.
You just get that cunt.
What's up? Tonight, we're down here in Cairns and we're just walking around and just gonna have a fun time. Look, there's this door that says do not enter. Do you know how to get to that, like that little restaurant on top of McDonald's, like that hotel?
Yeah, there's a lift up there that takes you up there.
Wait, it says reception.
Look at this. Oh my god, I'm sorry. We're so rude. Wow. Look at that, mate. A few drinks or what? Oh, for fuck's sake. What is like a good like sparkling wine, you reckon? What is your favourite? I'm on the champagne, eh? Sorry.
No, you're good.
I'll block him. He's just like, he just wants to film everything, eh?
Oh, that's fine.
Where are you from? Are you from here?
Melbourne.
Melbourne?
Are you from here?
Yeah. Thanks, man. Oh, fuck, sorry, man. Oh, sorry, bro. Oh, sorry, bro. Oh, sorry, bro. Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry. Yo, what? That's, I just thought like maybe that's bad water. Alright, right now we're playing the game, how many pools can we get into in one night? Joe, you gotta jump into the pool now. I want to give a quick shout out to that couple we just met down there.
Hey, door's open.
They fully just gave me $50 out of nowhere. I'm gonna go and try and double this $50 note on the roulette table. The next clip will be if I won or I lost. Alright, ready? Little update there, did not win money. We actually went up, we made a lot, and then we got cocky and we lost it all. Isn't that right, Riley?
Nah.
In my last video, I said that there's always someone mowing in this neighborhood, and I'm just gonna prove it to you again. It's the next day. Look, always mowing. Hey, so we found some kittens on the side of the road. We didn't find them. My friend Bryce did. Anyway, we'll go see them. You got the kitties.
Yeah. Come here. I'm Ivy.
What's your name?
Ivy.
What's his cat's name? Oakley and Johnson.
Yeah, Oakley and Johnson are here.
That works, Jimmy. I know, so in science, there's an air bubble on the top of this can. And if you tilt this can downwards towards your thumb and you apply just enough pressure, it'll go clean old through there and you'll have to rip this rum can.
No way. Oh, I think that's Falcon's one, isn't it?
It's like you're wielding a lightsaber.
But he did it like it was just like a little.
He just fucking
pop.
like this, puss.
Oh!
Don't slip on the trail. Don't slip on the blow it up, C4. I just had to go crack now on my Depot.